Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Sandia G. If you're new here, welcome to Alan Returning. So if you don't know your girl feel about you, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put your notification bell on so you'll be in the know when your girl upload new content. Guys, I am about to start off my 2025 Christmas decorating series with my mantle. I don't think I've ever started off with my mantle, but this year I just want to do things a little bit different. I want to do a video so that I can start uploading content, and I figured that this would be the easiest part for me to start with. Like to decompress? Yes. So I'm going to be using 3 different sets of garlands up here. I have an old one that I've used previously. I'm going to intertwine this with some newer ones that I got. So if you guys have been watching my shopping hauls, I did show you some aspen garlands that I picked up from the auction. Now, one of them look like this. So yes, everything is tumbling down, and I kind of probably twist them together. So I have 3 different types here that I twist together already, and I have this one with the lights. I have this aspen garland here, and then I have the older one here. So what I'm pretty much going to do is I want to start from that end down there, and then I don't want the camera to capture my Christmas tree, to be honest. Yeah. But we're going to see how all of that going to work out. So what I'm doing here, because I want to hang this part, over there, and I don't have my mic because I don't know where it is. And I hope I am not sounding a little bit low. So wherever you guys know, I love to put music over my videos. So this area that I'm talking, because I'm just going to do explanation, let you guys know what I'm doing, and then I don't have to talk again over the video. I'm not going to put any music over the first part of the video. So right now I am kind of knotting this because I want this part to hang down. And yeah, so let me try. Yeah, so this can hide under here. I think it's okay. So I'm gonna start off over on this side because I want this part to kind of hang down some, and then I will just fix it along the way. So as I said, I intertwine all of them together. I'm gonna just keep intertwining it, and then I'm gonna apply it to the mantle.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind, the #1 thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new. While shepherd kept there watching over silent flocks by night. Behold, throughout the heavens there shone a holy light. The shepherds feared and trembled when lo, up.
So I have these brass plated cup hooks. I'm going to use one on that side to hold it. I don't like to see the big gap in between on the between. I'm not sure I'm going to fix this one. Maybe I could do the same thing, like grab it there, and I may just do that. So I am going to use one of this on each side and try to get it in place. So that's what I'm going to do now. And I can easily patch this because, I mean, it's like a nail hole, pretty much. Let me see. I want to get it in the right spot.
Christ was born, and God sent us salvation.
So that fixed that problem right there. For now, I'm going to put a bell there. And I'm thinking maybe I don't want to do it on this side because maybe I want to put this here on the fireplace. So I had some picks to the fireplace, and I'm also going to add these. I got 6 of them from Ross. So I have these for the ends.
Tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. He made me a watchman upon the city wall. And if I'm
And then I have this one. And I want to put this at the very, very end.
all, go tell it on the mountain over the hill.
Doing it like that. And then I'm going to just put some picks in it. I'm not doing too much on there. I'm going for a more simplistic look, but I want it to look cute. But I'm going to stick some picks in there, and then we'll take it from there. These from Hobby Lobby, and I also got these from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to place them in there strategically. And I am just building on what I already have.
Remember when we kissed underneath the mistletoe? Fireworks and Christmas lights freezing in the snow. And how you used to tell me that everything's alright. Held me close beside the fire, made a wish upon a star. Such a magic time. No Christmas.
So I'm going to just take this one apart. And I'm going to use this to build on the ends.
Wonder if you see the same as I hope you found what you wanted, but I'm missing you. I miss the nights we had, but that's okay. I've forgiven our mistakes, 'cause in the end, yes, in the end, that's what Christmas is about. Remember New Year's Eve, the one in New York City. Everything just felt so right, yeah, when you counted down and kissed me. We promises we couldn't keep, but I wouldn't change a thing. No, Christmas night's just not the same without you. I look up to the sky, and I wonder if you see the same as I. I hope you found what you wanted, but I'm missing you. I miss the nights we had, but that's okay. I've forgiven our mistakes, 'cause in the end, yes, in the end, that's what Christmas is about.
So guys, for now, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take you guys in and show you. I'm thinking that I want to put some gold picks up here. So I'm gonna just stand back, look at it, see how it looks, and then to see if I should add those gold picks that I am thinking about. But for now, I really love this. I love what it is giving. This is Saint Sunday for real. I love this. I don't know how I feel about the stocking foot. Let me tell you something. I think this is probably the first or second time I'm using stocking foot on my mantle. But we will see how it turns out. As I said before, this I don't think is the final look, but you guys are going to be getting the final look when I do the tree.
Sleigh bells are ringing out by the sea, sending a message of love and sympathy. I've been waiting by the phone, and this song will meet you at the door. This Christmas will be something